Haven't done a video in a while because I've been really busy, but I have a busted jack on my Ibanez. It's the S470, and I'm gonna fumble through replacing it. So let's do that. Here's what happens when you have a busted jack. Oh, that's awful. No, we can't have anything like that. So we're gonna fix that right now. All right, so let's replace this jack. I've got some screwdriver bits. Most importantly, I have the new part for the Ibanez series. This is the 1/4" jack. It's got a rubber washer and a nut, and here's the little connectors. This one's a little bent. That should be okay. And then, of course, you gotta have soldering iron, and let's do it. So the first thing you wanna do when you fix anything is clean the device or instrument. All right, I got this fleece microfiber cleaning rag, which should pick up all this dust on here. Okie dokie, and then down in this jack there's a bunch of crud. So I'm gonna clean it with just the tiniest bit of water. That's it, no rubbing alcohol, nothing fancy, not too much water. I'm just gonna get in here, and yeah, it's just got some gunk. Oh yeah, see, it feels nice and smooth now. All right, let's pull this guy apart. I have never opened the back of this one, being extremely gentle with this neck. I hope it's okay to place it on the Floyd Rose over there. I honestly don't know. I hope I'm not damaging anything. Okay. All right, now that we've taken one piece off, guess what? More cleaning. Oh yeah, it loves that. Okay, so we want to make sure that we attach the black and the white wires correctly. And it looks like, see, I see the problem with this jack. It's not the connection where the 1/4" cable goes into the jack. It's actually right here on the little pin that has the solder joint, and the solder joint isn't the problem. The problem is that the pin is actually loose in there. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take the black wire off first, and my soldering iron is nice and heated up now. The way you know your soldering iron is hot enough, is ready to be used, is if you touch it and it burns. Okay, so I'm just gonna touch this on here. Oh, and there we go. That's all it takes. So I've got the black one off. It looks like it's not that long of a lead wire there, but okay, I'm gonna pull the white guy off here, and I gotta be careful not to burn this green wire with the soldering iron. That would be no fun, so I gotta find just the right little spot to disconnect this. Here it comes. Let's see if these pliers will do the trick here. You might not be able to see it. Oh, see, I loosened it. Is that all it took? Okay, I need one more like that. All right, now it is finger loose. I can pull this all the way off. Being very cautious of all the other components in here, I really do not want to make more things to fix. Okay, there's that. Okay, so now we have to figure out how to get this thing out. Does it just push out? Aha, it's loose. There it is. Cool, so here was the problem. This guy right here, the white connector, is loose. That is what was making that horrible noise. And I'm gonna slide the new nut off. Push that in there. All right. And I'm gonna put the new washer on gently. I'm gonna give this a tighten with the pliers because theirs was pretty snug. I want mine to be pretty snug. It feels pretty good. I can still tighten it just a tiny bit with my hand, so I want to make sure I take it to 11 here. That feels great. And here's where having 3 hands really helps. what I want to do is I want to make sure I don't get any solder on any of these other pins, because that's going to just ruin everything. Nothing will work. I'm going to concentrate for a second here. There we go. Come on. Uh-huh. It seems I have broken it. Damn it. Well, I'd call that a fail. Okay, so I almost got something wrong because no sound came out of the guitar, and what I think it is this white wire is a different configuration from this old jack, which was like this, with the shorty guy on the top. Either I saw it wrong, or this jack is actually different, because this one has the ground directly connected to the sleeve, and the new jack does not have that. So I'm going to try the white wire on this little shorty guy, this main lead here, and see if we can get some sound out of the guitar. Let's get that in there. Let's try that. We might have to play some musical chairs here to figure out what the solution is. Alright, I guess we just try all the combinations here. I'm thinking I had this rotated incorrectly the first time compared to how it was in there before. And I'm going to try the ground over here. Okay, so here's what happened. I had this rotated wrong. This old one, I believe, we can check the footage, was like this, and so here was the ground, and here was the lead. The lead was the one that was loose, and it looks like this new one is configured just a little bit differently. So if I were to rotate this, this is the ground, this is the main. Yeah, it looks like this battery connector, this third thing, used to be short on this one. Now it's long on this one, so I mistook the length of these to indicate what was going on. Let's put this back on. The guitar is working now. I just tested it, and I'm going to give you a little demo of that too. Okie dokie. Moment of truth here. Get the amp flipped on. Get this baby plugged in. Let my tubes warm up. I'm hearing it come in. And, oh yeah, no more crackle.